Bishop Knox of Derry and Raphoe built the house as a bathing place when he left the priory in Rathmullan to move to Derry.
Later in the 1800s, it became the country residence of the Batt family, who were linen brokers, and the founders of the Belfast Bank, now the Northern Irish Bank.
The Batt family townhouse in Belfast is now the Purdyburn Hospital.
The Batts Walk got their name from the Batts family.
A wee story that's around Rathmullan is that a woman used to walk her dog every day in the Batts Walk, but when she died, the dog was alone and now walks all around Rathmullan.
The little dog is brown and doesn't have a dog collar anymore, and when you go to the walks, you will hear the woman calling the dog's name Fido.